La problemática que mayormente tienen las personas en Belén es la contaminación y también consumen un agua contaminada, de las cuales muchos de ellos recogen su agua mayormente del río, de lluvia, o si no, realizan lo que son los pozos artesanos.
So one of the more interesting areas of Iquitos is the Belen district. And what makes that unique is that it's in the lower part of the city, and every year when the glaciers are melting during the hottest part of the year, the Amazon River can raise 20 to 40 feet, which creates a floodplain down in Iquitos. So there are thousands of people that have lived in the Belen area over the years because it's the cheapest place to live. You know, the people with money don't want to have a house that floods 3 or 4 months every year. Couple that with the open sewage system there of 70,000 people at a time. You know, 9 months of open raw sewage collecting in ditches, and then when that water creeps in during those wet time of year, that water becomes incredibly contaminated. A lot of intestinally borne parasites and bacterial infections and things like that. And then as that water decreases at the end of the flood season, then all of that mud and fecal matter and everything mixed together starts to dry out. And when the traffic starts again down there with the trucks and the motorcycles and the motor cars, then that mud dries out, it turns to dust, and that dust goes into the air, people breathe that. Then the respiratory issues begin because of all the bacteria and contamination in the dust. So it's just a cycle of illness based on this floodplain.